Hey guys, this message is for all my Platinum members. It's time to start shopping because your next coupon is coming on June 1st. Now, if you go ahead and start shopping right now, you will be able to catch the next shipment on May 25th. If you catch the next shipment on May 25th, it will arrive in Jamaica by about June 1st, which allows you the opportunity to use your Platinum coupon to pay. Now, the following shipment, however, leaves on June 1st and will be in Jamaica before June 10th. I tell you this because your Platinum coupon has a 10-day shelf life. So go ahead, start shopping right now. Take advantage of it. All my Platinum members, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. You have 2 shipping windows to get all your packages in. Now, when it's time to pay, if you are not sure how to use your coupon, send us a message. We'll be more than happy to assist. Now, go ahead. Happy shopping.